Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to be going over how to get approved for up to $100,000 personal loan with Wells Fargo with all of the data points toward the end of the video. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Albert Damatov. I'm the founder of A1 Finance, where we help people optimize their credit, secure funding, and then invest it using our A1 credit portfolio framework, showing you how to use the banks instead of having the banks use you. All right, guys, let's get straight into the video. So here we are on Wells Fargo's personal website. As you can see here, the rates are as low as 6.99% APR, which is really, really good compared to a lot of other personal loans on the market. I know Wells Fargo has a lot of controversy and it's been controversial in the last couple of years, but they did get a lot better recently. They released 0% business credit card, which I'm a huge fan of, and got approved for. And they have a lot of other amazing products like their business lines of credit as well. And now but they've been having this somewhat low, good APR on the personal loan as well. And they do have personal lines of credit and stuff like that too. So if you don't have an account with them, I definitely recommend you guys open up an account with Wells Fargo and build a relationship out, even though they had a lot of controversy in the past. So here we are, customizable loans. You guys could use this for home improvement, major expenses, debt consolidation. If you guys have personal credit card debt with the personal credit card debt, the APR is usually anywhere from 20% to 30% APR. So this would definitely help you guys save on that. So you guys could definitely use it for that. I definitely recommend you guys, if you guys are trying to go for this, 100,000 or whatever you guys get approved for on this personal loan with Wells Fargo, that you guys have a plan to pay this off and you have a good strategy or whatever you guys will do to get a ROI on this in a decent time frame. Don't just get this money with no plan. The last thing I want you guys, whoever's watching this channel, my channel, is to just get debt for the sake of getting debt with no actual plan on getting ROI. Our whole goal is to leverage good debt to create income. All right, so I digress. Competitive rates, fixed interest rates, and then interest rate discount with auto pay from qualifying Wells Fargo account. Skip the fees. So another really good thing about this loan is they have no origination fee, no closing fee, and no prepayment penalty. Meaning if you guys want to fully pay this down early, then they will not charge you a prepayment penalty if you do that. There is other loans out there on the market where if you borrow and have a certain time frame, let's say you guys get a loan that's 60 months or 70 months, if you pay it down early, they will charge you a penalty fee for that, because obviously their goal is to make as much as they could off you with interest. But they don't have that, which is really, really good. And then another thing is they have a quick credit decision, so same day credit decision for most customers. So that's it with their site. Now let's get into the data points. So you guys will need at least the 760 plus credit score. So just keep that in mind. You guys have to have stellar credit. If you guys currently don't, one way to quickly increase your credit is through leveraging trade lines. I recommend you guys get 2 or 3 trade lines with good age of accounts and decent limits to make sure that your utilization goes down, and that will increase your score. So yeah, if you guys don't have that, you guys could go through that process and make sure you guys have a 760 plus credit score. Another thing you guys could keep in mind to get approved for this is season accounts for higher approval odds to build a relationship with Wells Fargo. So another thing to keep in mind with this is that this is stated income. It's no docs. So you guys could do what you will with that information. The only verification is e-doc signature that you're basically agreeing that you'll pay the loan. Another thing to keep in mind is it's a soft pull on Experian at the time of this video. They might change it because banks usually like to make changes here and there. So just keep in mind, this is a soft pull and it's on Experian. If you guys have a lot of inquiries on Experian, make sure you guys get them removed. Experian is usually one of the easiest bureaus to get them removed down. So go through the process of getting that removed and then apply for this. They might change this to Equifax if they haven't already, because when I did apply for their personal card recently, they did pull my Equifax credit report. Usually what I had noticed for myself and all of our students and clients is most businesses these days pull on Experian, and a lot of personal related stuff is on Equifax TransUnion, with this being the exception where they do a soft pull on Experian. But just keep that in mind whenever you guys go for personal stuff and business stuff. So if you guys do get approved, the funds are in your account the same day or the next business day, which is really good. No prepayment penalty. I went over this earlier. And then they also only accept online applications for people who have existing accounts with them. So if you guys don't currently have an account with them, you guys would have to walk into branch to apply. At the time of this video, maybe they change it. So make sure you guys call them and confirm with them if that's the case. If that's not the case, then you guys can just feel free to put the application in from home online. If not, then obviously you guys will have to walk in branch in order to get approved for this. All right, so I hope that was a helpful video, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. Let me know what other video you guys want to see from me. And if you guys want to work with me and my team one-on-one and build out your A1 credit portfolio, which is an innovative model to approaching building your credit. I like to approach building credit the same way investors approach their investment portfolio and diversifying their investment portfolio. I like to approach building your credit portfolio the same one, and I call this the A1 credit portfolio because we want to have A1 credit and then leverage that to build out your personal credit portfolio and your business credit portfolio. So if you guys want help with building out your A1 credit portfolio, feel free to book a call below with me and my team. If you guys still haven't joined the community, A1 Credit Club, make sure to join down below as well. I have a bunch of good gems in there that help you with inquiries, how to get into a bunch of other banks, credit unions, Navy Federal, all that.